Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign up for a online banking account on First Bank. First Bank is one of the largest bank in Texas with over 1200 ATMs in the state and 130 financial centers. Interest rates on First Bank accounts are competitive and higher than most national banks. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I'm using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a www.firstbank.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of First Bank. As we are going to get a new enrollment in the online banking account of First Bank, you need to click on the link given, that is sign up. Sign up for the First Bank online banking. For the enrollment in the First Bank, first of all you need to provide your debit card number that requires of 16 digits. Now then you go in for providing your 6-digit PIN. Here, after you provide both the details, you click on next. Then you will be moved forward to signing up for a First online banking. Then you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on First Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on First Bank. Thank you.